Hi viewers, welcome to Physics Srinivas YouTube channel. Today I discuss about some basic physics fundamentals. First of all, I discuss about what is the definition of force. What is the definition of force? So force is denoted by which letter? F. Force is denoted by F. So what is the definition of force? So force is nothing but force F is nothing but ma. Force F is equal to ma. M is nothing but mass. M is nothing but mass. A is nothing but, already last class I discussed, A means acceleration. A means acceleration. So M means mass, A means acceleration. What is the definition of force? What is the definition of force? The force F is equal to M into A. Force F is equal to M into A. That means the product of mass and acceleration. Repeat again. What is the definition of force? Force is nothing but F. F is denoted by ma. F is equal to ma. The product of mass and acceleration. The product of mass and acceleration. The product of mass and acceleration is called as force. The product of mass and acceleration. Where M means mass, A means acceleration. What is the definition of force? The product of mass M and acceleration A. Mass M and acceleration A. So the mass is measured in kgs in mgs or grams in cgs. Acceleration unit means meter per second square in cgs, centimeter per second square. So the mass is measured in either kg or gram. Acceleration is measured in meter per second square in mgs, centimeter per second square in cgs. So what is the definition? The product of mass and acceleration is called as force. The unit of force F is equal to ma. Unit, mks unit. mks unit is equal to, M means mks unit kg. A means acceleration in mks unit meter per second square. So finally, what is the mks unit of force? What is the mks unit of force? Kg meter per second square. So this is equal to Newton. Kg meter per second square. Kg meter per second square is equal to Newton. Is equal to Newton. So Newton is the mks unit of force. Similarly in CGS. In CGS unit. In CGS, the unit of mass is gram. In CGS unit, the unit of acceleration is centimeter per second square. Finally, gram centimeter per second square. Gram centimeter per second square is the CGS unit of force. This value is equal to dynes. Dyne. So Newton is the mks unit of force. Dyne is the CGS unit of force. What is the relation between these two quantities? That means 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dynes. 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dynes. 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dynes. Repeat again. What is the definition of force? The product of mass and acceleration. What is the mks unit of force? Kg meter per second square. This kg meter per second square is equal to Newton. Kg meter per second square is equal to Newton. Another one, CGS unit of force is gram centimeter per second square is nothing but dyne. What is the relation between Newton and dyne? What is the relation between Newton and dyne? That means 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dyne is the unit. So where F is nothing but force. F is nothing but force. What are the fundamental forces in nature? How many fundamental forces are available in the nature? How many fundamental forces are available in nature? Three fundamental forces are available in the nature. three fundamental forces are available in nature. First one is the most important, nuclear force. First one is nuclear force. First one is nuclear force. Second one is gravitational force. Second one is gravitational force. Third one is electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic. These three forces are called as fundamental forces. First one is nuclear forces. Second one is gravitational forces. Third one is electromagnetic forces. Electromagnetic forces. In these three fundamental forces, which force is in these three forces, which force is the largest force? That means nuclear force is the strongest. Nuclear forces is strongest forces in the nature. Which force is strongest in the nuclear? Nuclear force. Which force is weakest force? Which force is weakest force in the nature is gravitational force. Gravitational force is weakest force in the nature. Gravitational force is weakest force in the nature. Nuclear force is the strongest force in the nature. At the same time, so nuclear force is strongest, but short range. Short range. Gravitational force is a large range. So nuclear forces are strongest forces in the nature. Nuclear forces are strongest forces in the nature. Gravitational force, weakest forces in the nature. But nuclear forces are short range force. Nuclear forces are short range forces. Gravitational forces are large range force. For example, the force between Earth and Moon. The force between student and teacher. The force between table and teacher is called as gravitational force. Gravitational force is long range force and weakest force in the nature. These three forces are called as fundamental forces. These three forces are called as fundamental forces. Repeat again. F is equal to ma is the mathematical formula of force. This equation is this mathematical formula is known as Newton's equation. Newton's equation. This is called Newton's first law, second law. Newton's second law. So, what is the mathematical formula? What is the mathematical formula of Newton's second law? F is equal to ma. In original, Newton's second law is equal to F is equal to F is proportional to dp by dt. This is the main law of Newton's. F is proportional to dp by dt. F means force. Symbol is directly proportional to the rate of change in momentum. The rate of change in momentum. The rate of change in momentum. The definition, work. What is the definition of work? Work is denoted by W. Work is denoted by W. What is the mathematical formula of work? Is nothing but work W is equal to F into S. Work W is equal to F into S. F means force. F means force. S means displacement. S means displacement. Repeat again. Work is denoted by W. Work is denoted by W. What is the mathematical formula of W? W is equal to F into S. W is equal to F into S. That is equal to F dot S. That is equal to Fs cos theta. W is equal to Fs or Fs cos theta. So F is nothing but force. S is nothing but displacement. F is nothing but force. S is nothing but displacement. F is nothing but force. S is nothing but displacement. What is the unit of force? MKS Newton or CGS Dyne. What is the unit of displacement? MKS in meter, CGS in centimeter. What is the definition of work? Work is nothing but the product of dash and dash. The product of force and displacement. What is the definition of work? What is the definition of work? Work is nothing but the product of F and a force. S means displacement. That means the product of force and displacement. The product of force and displacement is called as work. Next one, what is the unit of work? Work W is equal to Fs. In MKS unit, MKS unit, F MKS unit, Newton. S MKS unit, meter. Finally, Newton meter is the unit of work in MKS system. Newton meter is the unit of work in MKS. This Newton meter is also equal to joule. Is a great scientist. Joule is nothing but Newton meter. Next one, what is the CGS unit of work? So in CGS, force is dyne, displacement is centimeter. This dyne per centimeter is nothing but X. So finally I concluded, joule is the MKS unit of work, erg is the CGS unit of work. What is the relation between joule and erg? 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7x. The most important relation. Joule and also erg. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7x. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7x. This is called as work. When W is equal to Fs or Fs cos theta. At which conditions the work is 0? At which situations work is 0? For example, the applied force F is equal to 0. That implies work is 0. If there is no force applying on a body, at that situation, the work is 0. In the second case, S is 0. At that condition, W is also 0. Some force is applying on a body. For example, some force is applied on that board. That board doesn't move. That means displacement is 0. At that situation, work is also 0. Next one, theta is equal to 90. That implies cos 90 is 0. Sin 0, cos 90 0. At that situation, W is also equal to 0. In nature, only 3 situations equal to 0. Only this. First condition F0, second condition S is equal to 0, third condition theta is equal to 9. For example, this case, electron is revolves around the nucleus. At that condition, the work is 0.